God be the watchman of this nation. I'm a land of freedom. You shall live in plenty in our need. And your children shall be like this earth above. The Most High God be the watchman of this nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters from the Federal Republic of Ambazonia, I want to greet everybody and welcome everybody in this platform of Mola Wunja. I've come this morning here in the United Kingdom to bring out some things which are really disturbing into our revolution. I hope people will think that, oh, Mola Wunja is putting on the camouflage because of Pride's Facebook. No. I'm taking full training for the Air Force, British Air Force. I'm taking training for that. And I'm coming. I'm doing this. It's a private training. I'm not hiding myself. Look at, it's not fake. Yes, I'm coming back home to take back our homeland. Yes, I'm coming back home to take back our homeland. This message today is going to the Cameroon government as a whole. I'm not making this message to our people. This message is going to the Republic, La République du Cameroon. Well, it's very, very unfortunate that some of us are not there at ground zero. It's very unfortunate. But it's fortunate because some of us have come here in Europe, in the United Kingdom, in the diaspora, and take better training. How we are coming there to deal with you people, because this nonsense is too much. We are mobilizing ourselves. The people on ground zero, our people who are fighting there, please. We want to congratulate you people. We are not hiding again. The Red Dragons, the Tigers, the ADF, the Sokadef, the boys of Dinguti, the boys of everywhere, which are doing a tremendous job. We want to congratulate you people. We want to encourage you people that no matter what type of problem we are facing, what type of infighting is going on, you people should be resilient. Be very strong. You are still resist. I want to send a very powerful message to all of you. That the way you people have shown unity into this struggle is more better and more progressive than those in the diaspora. Yes, this is what they call revolution. Not everybody is supposed to go on the ground. Some people will be fighting in different ways. Despite they will say, why are you people not coming down? We are here also because if we are not here to follow the diplomatic way or to follow the diplomatic track for this revolution, then we are going nowhere. Only ground zero, fighting in ground zero will not push us to the end of the Tuboya. So I want to thank all those who are fighting on ground zero. We are here trying to unite ourselves to give you the maximum support for this struggle. Me, I don't come today for tell these people. I hear my brother Eric Tato. He sent a sound message to Atanganji. That message, I will reflect that message for all government officials when Anglophones. Ma stand fine more than see me. I no be bembe man, I'm strong, I fine, I know the sick, I dey okay. I be very healthy, strong, I have power to fight with my group. All right. We dey give sound warning for all the government official, whether you dey work what, whether you be minister or what, working with that government and supporting that government. Since this struggle don't make na 2 years, una still dey there, una dey beat, they dey kill with people, with parents and with family, they sleep for bushes. Wild animals them, they dey eat someone, the one day they don't die for diseases, we no know. They dey burn houses, villages, hundreds of villages. It don't be dismantled. They don't bury picking them, kill picking them when we not even know Saturday. So when they die, as my brother TK, he talk for Ground Zero. They kill 200 of we young picking them, bury them for mass grave. Take with sister, they rob them for mud. They kill people in front of their parents, kill parents in front of their children, and vice versa. We dey quiet. Una come for people their land, their territory. Can't fight them. You no go walk and una never win. Una no go ever win. This struggle don't go the level where we for diaspora, we don't decide for mobilize. We dey come for una if una no call for this particular what they call negotiation for una for go una own way. I'm warning, I'm not afraid. Look, my name is Mula Wunja. Like Eric Tato is saying, Eric Tato said that. I said that we are coming for you people. All government officials, from ministers, directors, lawyers, principals, magistrates, judges, all working with that government, you have to step back. Parliamentary senators, all of you have to step back. This is not a time of joke again. This is life and death. We people have been killed enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. There's no peace again. We are just taking this thing in a very different level now. This thing is going to a different level. Everybody has to fall under one strong, powerful umbrella. Let's hit these people out. Let's hit these people out. These terrorists of La Republic. We are giving a sound warning to all government officials, Anglophones. We are not joking. We are not playing anymore. There's no playing it. We know the joke again. We know the joke again. Man, move my cap fine. With due respect, we know the joke again. It's two things. People are lavishing in prison for 2 years. They are eating only once a day, maybe a small loaf of bread. That's all. Then you people say we should sit down and watch these foolish people coming to steal our resources, taking it, buying the guns, buying the weapons to kill us again. Remove us from our home, our villages. You people are there sitting. That I'm the prime minister, I'm the territorial administrator, I'm the minister of education. God punish una. May God punish una. As from today, if any government official, as from today, if any government official visit any area, whether the northern zone or the southern zone, we are going to tell our guys to deal with you very well. According to the law of Ambazonia, we are going to tell our guys, instruct them to deal with you people very well. If you people don't want to resign, then you will resign by force. You will resign with your family, to all of you. That's the message I brought for you people. You people cannot be there because you are any small dirty CFA, a paper that France they are doing, they are producing behind a cartel in France. Dirty CFA. That money has no value. You can't even change CFA in Europe. Let me tell you people, you can't change CFA in Europe. That money has no value. Yeah? That money has no value. £1 has value. £1 like this, I can use it anywhere in Europe. You can't change 10,000. You can't use 10,000 in anywhere in Europe. You people are there being like slaves. If you people don't be careful, that country will be very, very ungoverning. Both the two sides. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. Let this message go to the government officials, the Anglophone government official. I, Mola Wonja, said it. I said it. I'm not somebody I will say tomorrow, oh, it's not me. It's me. People will be sitting there, sleeping. Others are in the bush sleeping. You are there in your house, comfortable, but all of you have run to your own day. I hope, let God, which we serve, give that territory. And you will see what they will treat you people, how they will treat you people in that particular region of the country. Wait, we will see how you people cross Amongo. We are going to see. I've told my guys, if tomorrow there is any independent or federation, we are still going to put a border in Mongo. I'm going to take control of that. I've told them. There will be a border in that Mongo. And I will see how you people will cross and come there again. You will stay there. If they want to eat you, let them eat you. Okay, that one is over. Now I want to talk something regarding this struggle. Well, I found out that I've been making video. People think when Mola Wonja come to talk because he want to get popularity. What popularity do I want? I made the first video 2016, not even December, around September, when the struggle started, around November, October. I had almost 70,000 views, which people like was about 1 million. What popularity do I need again? Some people say, oh, you are jealous of the, jealous to who? I live in Europe for the past 23 years. Jealous to who? Let me tell you people something. I left Cameroon at the age of 23 years old. Yeah? I did 2 years in Boya University. I left to Moscow. Let me give you people my biography nonsense. I went to Moscow. I was there for 3 months. I moved to Poland. That was 1995. Poland, I was in Poland for about 3 months. I moved to Germany. Yeah? Germany, I went to Germany, I went to school. From Germany, I went to Holland. I completed my university. Holland, I came to England. I did my first degree in England. Again, at University College of London. I changed my career. I moved to Coventry. I did my master's in disaster management and urban development. I finished there. I did 1 year oil and gas management production, higher diploma. So people who don't know me can talk stupid things. I'm not making pride. It's what God has given me. I've been working. I work with Coventry Council. Big position. I work in Tesco in logistics, head of logistics. You people just make noise. You don't know people. I will identify myself. Yeah? What I want, why I bring this point is, when you call people names, they say, oh, you are jealous of them. Oh, you are jealous of who? For what? For what which other people don't have? Let me bring out something. I wrote something on my page yesterday regarding the issue between Dr. Ayabacho and Dr. Ebenezer Akpanga. I don't know who is the doctor anyway. I know Ebenezer. Okay, for Ayabacho, my hands are clean. I don't know any about his educational background. That is true. Fine. We just knew when in Germany. Fine. That's correct. Dr. Ebenezer Akpanga, I called him. I told him, please, try, can you people settle this amicably? He was putting the blame to Ayabacho. When you call Ayabacho, he doesn't pick calls. He doesn't reply. He only pick calls to his own surrogates. I still went online to write something that they can solve it, two of them. I can even be mediator because I know two of them. Some people come, oh, you are jealous of Ayaba. Me, Molawoja, are jealous of Ayaba. I'm from Fako, me. I'm from Fako. Fako Manu, me one. Are the jealous Ayaba? Me. For what? For what? I have children that finish universities. I own a house. I have everything. What do I need Ayaba for? We are just fighting for the liberation of the country, Ambazonia. If Dr. Ayaba really loved this struggle, he would have brought everybody together like one umbrella, join the group and fight. Not this indoor fighting. Look what happened to Ivo. He's just following when somebody say, oh, he think they're winning. When they make those big English, people are fighting here. You're afraid of who? Who is who here? If we're talking to the Cameroon government, we're not afraid. We're afraid of one man. When I came, I said Milan is stealing money from our scapa. They were insulting me. It came to be true. Everything you want to say true, they insulted that division. You people should shut up. What division? Somebody is doing wrong. You should call him to order. Call him to order. He should organize his guys. Let them stop that nonsense they are doing down there. If not, we are going to send our guys to take them out. You people think we're afraid? One person cannot be terrorizing, disturbing the whole struggle when the struggle is going on. When people want to talk, oh, you would have called him. Call him for what? Call him for what? You people should be very, very careful the way you handle this struggle. I've said this, I think this is the third time. They have to meet together, two of them, they solve the problem, or they push them out. Let's continue the struggle. This struggle is not above anybody. It's not nobody's. The struggle is above all of us. Nobody owns this struggle. Even my brother Sako, he do something wrong, I will tell him. Everybody know me. So it's not a matter of division or this. No. It's a matter of truth and decency. Some people go and create Facebook page, go for me, collect money from our brothers, collect. For what? And then they will be eating, they are fat, they move like this, make like this. For what? People are dying there, young people are there, they don't have food to eat, they are begging on the streets. Boys are there, they need granules, they need iron. We are there only making big man and this. This for what? What is all the pride for? Look the way Red Dragons came and tried to discredit somebody who has been fighting since the struggle started. Look, because of the way they are operating. It's a shame. It's a shame. The better we come together, as my brother TK, who is in Ground Zero now, said, if we come together, then we make a new defense, a powerful one that will be difficult to break. This La Republic people, let me tell you people something. They will never leave that land because of that resources. That is where they get their money. From the oil. Now they want to sell CDC. Shokoroko Takora. I've told any country who is trying to put his hand into our resources, our companies in the Ambazonia territory to take off their hand quietly. This is the message. If Paul Biya has power, let him sell that CDC. Let's see. That CDC was not for the government. Let me educate many people. CDC, Cameroon Development Corporation, was not for the government. That company was made for the people of West Cameroon. so that they can generate their resources to help themselves or to see whether they are self-governance. It was not a government company. It was a company for the people. I surprised Paul Biya took that power, start changing, appointing the general manager. It wasn't like that because I saw it. Most people saw it can bear me witness. General manager was appointed by the board of directors. That's how it was. But because of they want to destroy everything around our area, they start appointing general manager. It starts from Jongu. They remove him, make him minister of agriculture. They brought Peter Mafani Mosoge. That was the first government appointment in CDC. That's when they start stealing money. That's how CDC break till today. But I'm sending this message to every business people or companies who want to put their hand in that Cameroon Development Corporation. Remove your hand because that country is at war. That country is at war. That country is at war. That land is at war. Even the people go and sign that oil deal, let me inform you, if we come there, we remove you people and you lost your money. So it's a scam. Anything in Ambazonia foreign investor is a scam. Timber company, scam. Oil company, scam. Even that Sonara, anytime from now, something, wait for us, we are coming. God bless you people. I don't have much to say, but I said, let's fall under one umbrella and everybody who want to donate, I've made this thing before. This I've advised many people. Put your money in IG. You saw today, Red Dragon said they are under the IG. They are under IG because Ambazonia Defense Council is headed by IG. So, if any person, any Ambazonia who want to put his money somewhere else is wasting his time, don't give your money to any GoFundMe. No GoFundMe. Send your money where that you think is okay, where you will see something is coming out. Don't send your money for people for themselves to feed their own family and themselves. I will end here for now. And anybody who want to write on this page, if you don't have anything to write, don't write. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless Ambazonia and long live Ambazonia. And this struggle must continue. We must still fight this fight. Thank you.